Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Good
Arush.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, children. Good morning. Ready for your history?
मैम टेस्ट
अच्छा हाँ, आज तो ज्योग्राफी का टेस्ट लेना है आपको।
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. Good morning. Good morning. Jeff, it is 5. Good morning. Okay, only 23 are there. Let me take the attendance. Beta, I am sharing some questions with you, right? And I'll be sharing it on the screen. You need to do those questions. Right, class?
Ma'am, we have to write only answers.
Yes, you have to write only the answers. Fine?
Fair notebooks.
Yes, in the geography notebooks, fair ones.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, already know?
यस मैम
Yes, ma'am.
I'm sharing the screen. Just give me a moment. Can you see the screen?
Yes,
Class,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
you have to
Yes,
answer.
ma'am.
You have to answer these questions. Okay. These are 9 questions. Tell me how much time do you need?
20 minutes.
Ma'am, 20 minutes is.
20 minutes will be sufficient. No.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Ma'am, 20 to 25 minutes.
20 to 25. So fine. So 20 to 25 minutes you have time to do. These are just 1 mark questions. Do them and share the answers on the class groups. Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. You
Okay.
people, you start your.
Ma'am, that would.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Jivya.
this is worksheet 2.
This is
Ma'am, this is worksheet.
this is test. This is test. Right?
Okay.
Test. Okay.
Ma'am, we can do it in rough copy.
But later on you need to stick it in the geography notebook. Okay. You can do for now.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
So start
Excuse
your.
me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am,
Like we need to take the statement from the question and like
Yes, that.
then write the answer.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
ma'am, we have to write the questions and answer both, ma'am.
Okay, beta, only the answers. And listen, question number 2, both the answers you will be writing. There is no choice in it.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have to write the answer in 1 word or full sentence.
That is completely your choice. Okay.
Ma'am, we have to write only answers.
Yes, beta, only answers, Shaksham. Only answers you need to write, okay? Okay, 5 to 1. Vishesh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. It is not you. Beta, somebody has joined with 5 to 181. Who is this? Please change your name quick. 5 to 181 B94. Who is this? बेटा
Ma'am, Prashasti.
हाँ,
Prashasti.
what is your name?
Prashasti.
Prashasti. Beta, please rename yourself. Don't enter with these numbers because I don't take generally these kind of numbers inside. Okay, change your name over here.
Ma'am, in the second question, the difference means, ma'am, difference
Just a second.
means
Just a second. Just a second.
means उन दोनों
Prashasti.
को subtract करना.
हाँ हाँ हाँ, दोनों का डिफरेंस कितना है वो बताना है आपको. ठीक है. प्रशस्ति बेटा अपना रीनेम करो अपने आप को बेटा.
Ma'am, done.
हाँ, very good. You are a new admission बेटा.
Yes, ma'am.
When did you took admission?
Yesterday.
Yesterday. Okay, fine, fine. So have you given your attendance on the class group?
No, ma'am.
You need to give your. You need to write present also, no? Write your name so that we know that you have attended the class.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ.
Ma'am, in the second question, we have to write the subtraction.
Yes, you need to write the difference.
Ma'am, I thought that you were asking differentiate between.
No, 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 no.
Ma'am, for the second question, I have written both. Is it fine?
Please say it again.
Ma'am, for the second question, I have written the difference as well as the subtraction difference also. Is it fine?
Yes, yes, yes. प्रशस्ति आपने तो बेटा चैप्टर पढ़ा नहीं होगा ये वाला फर्स्ट वाला.
No, ma'am.
तो आप क्या करेंगे, आप एक काम करिए, यू डोंट डू दिस टेस्ट. आप जब तक ज्योग्राफी का चैप्टर आप रीड आउट कर लीजिए. ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ.
साउंड बंद. Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ जी बेटा.
Ma'am, Harshit is saying that he's trying to join.
He's trying to join.
Yes, ma'am.
Is showing nobody. अच्छा ठीक है. Wait. Okay, fine. I have taken him in.
Ma'am, I have one doubt.
Yes, Vishesh.
Ma'am, in the seventh question, it is written, name the place in India situated on three seas.
हाँ.
Ma'am, it can't be three seas.
हाँ. 3 C's नहीं है, but वो लिख देते हैं इस चीज को. They basically they should write water bodies, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, actually, I'm not able to understand the seventh question.
7th question में they are asking you the place which is situated on the 3 water bodies. 3 seas हैं.
Yes,
हमने
ma'am.
मैप का क्वेश्चन भी कराया बच्चे. वाटर बॉडीज हैं जो 3. कौन सी वाटर बॉडीज
Ma'am,
है?
done.
कौन सी सिटी है? Done. Then share it. अच्छा. Don't share it right now. I'll tell you when to share. Okay.
Ma'am, only 9 questions are there.
Yes. Only 9 questions.
Okay. ma'am.
Fine. We will discuss the answers also here itself so that you people can do the rectifications if you need. Okay. What about others?
Ma'am, about to complete.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ जी बेटा. बोलिए.
Ma'am, I have not done the second part of the second question, so can I do it on the last?
हाँ. You specify that this is question number 2, answer 2. Okay.
Ma'am, I have a problem in that second question.
बताइए what is your
After
problem?
or, mention the difference between northernmost and southernmost extent of India. Ma'am, what we have to do in that?
बेटा नॉर्दर्न मोस्ट और सदर्न मोस्ट का जो एक्सटेंट है उसका डिफरेंस बताना है आपको बस. जैसे ऊपर वाला करा है वैसे नीचे वाला करना है.
Ma'am, in second question, we have to subtract the numbers.
No, you have to tell the difference between the longitudinal and the latitudinal extent of India. इफ यू रिमेम्बर जब हमने शुरू में क्लास करा था तो आई टोल्ड यू नो कि कितने डिग्रीज का डिफरेंस है दोनों में, टोटल कितनी डिग्रीज में आता है हमने बताया था ना कैलकुलेट करके, गुजरात और अरुणाचल प्रदेश वाला केस जो था हमारा.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am remembered also.
हाँ, वही करना है आप लोगों को उसमें.
And ma'am, what we have to do in the second question, second part?
Again difference?
Ma'am, subtract.
Hmm?
Ma'am, we have to subtract the values now.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, please wait, ma'am.
Okay.
I'm please show the question paper.
Hmm. Beta, how many are left?
Ma'am, I'm on the last question.
Okay, fine, fine, fine.
Ma'am, I am the fifth one.
Okay, do it, do it, do it.
I'm done.
Done? Very good. Let others also finish.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, let others finish.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. So those who have done, you start sharing your answers on the group, class groups. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Huh.
Ma'am, in the PDF form?
Huh, that will be better, beta, if you do it in the PDF form.
Okay, ma'am.
Done.
Huh. Share it on the class group in the PDF
Share.
form. Huh. In the PDF
Yes,
form. Do not share the images, okay?
Yes, ma'am, in the PDF form
Hmm.
only.
Beta, as you are doing, keep sharing it.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes?
Ma'am, what is asked? Ma'am, I can't understand, ma'am, the fourth one, ma'am.
Fourth one, they are saying into how many political divisions is India divided for administrative purposes.
So, ma'am, we have to do what, ma'am, in this question?
आपको क्या समझ में आया इस क्वेश्चन में, हमें बताओ.
Ma'am, it is asking, ma'am, that ma'am, for the administrative purposes, ma'am, India is divided into how many divisions, ma'am?
आपको कैसे हमारे कंट्री में कैसे कितने लेवल्स की गवर्नमेंट है उनके बारे में बताना है आपको. वो उससे रिलेटेड है ये. ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, in the last question, the second part, what does it mean?
It is asking you mention the degree of longitude for the standard meridian. Standard meridian की degree of longitude क्या है? Standard meridian है अपना country का.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we have studied it in latitude.
नहीं, longitude we have done it. बेटा longitude तो टाइमलाइन कहलाती है. अब टाइमलाइन longitude ही होगी, latitude तो हो ही नहीं सकती है. Children, hurry up. Saksham, I told you to share PDF, beta, not the image.
Ma'am, can I send it in photos, ma'am? Because I don't have any PDF maker app.
क्या वो भारत स्कैनर से ले लो, उससे कर लो, पीडीएफ तो बनी जाती है। इमेज से बेटा अननेसेसरी स्पेस ऑक्यूपाई होगी ना, पीडीएफ से होगी नहीं। देख लो। अच्छा,
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, you will be also giving marks for this test.
yes, 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 yes.
मैम ये बात तो पहले बतानी चाहिए जी।
क्यों?
मैम हम और अच्छा करते।
Yes, ma'am. मैम अभी मैम इतना
प्रेजेंटेशन थोड़ी और अच्छी कर लेते।
नहीं नहीं, ठीक है बेटा, राइटिंग हार्डली मैटर्स। ऐसे में जो आंसर्स आप लिखोगे हम देख लेंगे, कोई वो नहीं है। करेक्टली लिखा हुआ, गलत थोड़ी लिखा हुआ कुछ आप लोगों ने।